Be careful. Be careful. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Excellent. Excellent. From time to time. From time to time. Good idea. Good idea. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. Help me. Help me. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. He's right. He's right. He's very annoying. He's very annoying. He's very famous. He's very famous. How are you? How are you? I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like it. I don't like it. I can't speak English well. I can't speak English well. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. I'm feeling good with you. I'm feeling good with you. If you need any help, please let me know. If you need any help, please let me know. I get off work at 6 o'clock. I get off work at 6 o'clock. I have a headache. I have a headache. I know. I know. I like her. I like her. I'll call you when I leave. I'll call you when I leave. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. I'll pay. I'll pay. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll take you to the bus stop. I've lost my watch. I've lost my watch. I love you. I love you. I'm an American. I'm an American. I'm cleaning my room. I'm cleaning my room. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm starving. I'm starving. Are you married? Are you married? I'm married. I'm married. I'm not married. I'm not married. I'm not busy. I'm not busy. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm so busy, I don't have time now. I'm so busy, I don't have time now. I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes. I need to go home. I need to go home. Is that enough? Is that enough? I think it's very good. I think it's very good. It's no longer than 2 miles. It's no longer than 2 miles. I've been here for 2 days. I've been here for 2 days. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. Just a little. Just a little. Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me check. Let me check. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Next time. Next time. Anything else? Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Not yet. Not yet. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Please write it down. Please write it down. Right here. Right here. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tonight. See you tonight. She's pretty. She's pretty. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Take it outside. Take it outside. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Thank you. Thank you. It looks great. It looks great. That's all right. That's all right. That's enough. That's enough. That's fine. That's fine. Can you speak slower, please? Can you speak slower, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Congratulations on your success. Congratulations on your success. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'll be there in a few minutes. I'll be there in a few minutes. How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Would you like to have a cup of tea? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? Please clean the board. Please clean the board.